Hi, Dr. Shanley. I know you stopped by our booth here today. First started with the test,
Yeah.
and then Dr. Singh decided to give you a treatment. So tell me a little bit about what he was treating and tell me about overall the experience.
Okay, well, I've had burning in this wrist for maybe 4 months, and just the slightest things like picking up my 10-month-old baby in a certain way would just cause a 10 out of 10 pain, which is the worst pain you can experience. So I would hold my baby for maybe 10 seconds and switch to the next arm, and I can hold my baby perfectly in this arm for as long as I wanted. I'm a chiropractor, and so adjusting people, every time I push, I feel tearing and burning in the ligaments and the tendons here. I have a lot of knots right here in the forearm, and so we just did some treatment with the doctor here, and after 5-10 minutes of treatment,
Yes.
I'm able to move my hand. I was able to push against his hands. So pushing on patients was causing severe pain, and I was having to deviate the way I pushed on people with my palm here instead of using my thumb and getting a broad-based contact with my patient. I was having to use alternative ways of adjusting people and treating people and taking care of my baby, which is huge. So 10 minutes later, I'm able to push and do things, and I have like 10 out of 10 pain down to maybe a 3 or 2 in this spot. So one treatment, maybe 2 treatments more should be great. So, and then my neck has been hurting for 20 years from a car wreck, and we just did a real brief treatment. I'm already able to feel a lot better movement in my neck. When he touched my neck, I had huge knots in the middle of my neck, and they're probably down to 60-70% of what they were when he just touched them.
Wow.
Just a little bit of treatment. So when he touched the middle of my neck, I felt huge knots. It's so much looser now.
Wow.
So I feel a big difference. Thank you so much.
That is awesome. Dr.
It definitely
Shanley,
works. So.
Thank you
And as a
very much.
chiropractor, I love it. So
That's awesome.
I wish I could do that too.